Makoy De Leon for FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Mikoy Morales for Maging Sino Ka Man. Anthony Jennings for Can't Buy Me Love. Will Ashley for Unbreak My Heart. And Mikael Diaz for Royal Blood.
The VP Choice Award goes to John Lucas. Congratulations.
Hello everyone, ako si John Lucas at wow, first time po after 11 years, ngayon po tayo nakatanggap ng ganitong parangal. Kaya unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon Diyos sa patuloy na pagkakaloob niya sa atin ng hanap buhay. At finally, ayun nga po after ng ilang taon ay re-recognize na rin po ang ating ginagawa sa television. At yun, gusto kong i-alay ito. Noon ay gusto kong hanggang ngayon naman, pero una kong ipinangako na magkakaroon po tayo ng ganito sa aking mga magulang na ngayon po ay parehas ng wala. Pero dahil naman tayo pinagkalooban ng dalawang mabubuting anak, iniaalay ko po sa kanila ito at sila ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nagpapatuloy sa ating ginagawa. Ayun, maraming salamat po, Village People Choice Award, sa GMA Network, GMA Public Affairs, Sparkle, sa Aguila Artist Management, sa lahat po ng judges, at sa mga host and guests po, sa lahat ng winners po ngayong gabi nito. At enjoy po natin ang gabi. At yun, palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Black Rider family, thank you. Love you.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Supporting Actress of the Year goes to the people's favorite actress who delivered outstanding performances as a supporting cast member in a television series.
The nominees are Faith Da Silva for Maging Sino Ka Man, Cyril Manabat for Senior High, Vibri Espito for Can't Buy Me Love, Kyla Estrada for Can't Buy Me Love, Rabia Mateo for Royal Blood, and Hazel Kinochi for Abot Kamay na Pangalan.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Vibri Espito. Congratulations!
Hi, good evening po ulit sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Vibri. First of all, I'd like to thank VP Choice Awards for the privilege to be nominated as Best Supporting Actress of the Year. To be honest with you guys, I still feel na marami pa akong kailangang matutunan. I still need a lot to improve on to be deserving of this award. But this will be a reminder for me to work hard and mas mag-improve pa, mas pagbutihan ko pa yung craft ko, which is acting. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakatrabaho ko sa industriya simula 2016, sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa akin at patuloy na nagtitiwala hanggang ngayon. From PBB, sa aking Star Magic family, Rise Artist Studio family, at sa buong ABS-CBN family ko. And of course, to my family, to my friends, especially to my supporters who made this possible. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. This one's for you. To God be all the glory. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Congrats, me! I'll prove it.
The VP Choice Awards for Breakthrough Star of the Year goes to the people's favorite star for demonstrating exceptional acting skills in a role that received praise from both critics and viewers alike and has sparked conversations owing to an outstanding performance.
And the nominees are Kyla Estrada for Yinlan, Jenica Garcia for Dirty Linen, Maris Racal for Can't Buy Me Love, Cyril Manabag for Dirty Linen, Miggy Jimenez for Senior High, and Zaidan Haranilla for Senior High.
The VP Choice Award goes to Maris Racal. Congratulations.
Ulit yung dalawa. Karina at ano. Ako na. Hindi naman. On behalf.
Hi everyone. First, I would like to thank Village people for the recognition and for choosing me as this year's Breakthrough Star. Playing Irene Chu for 8 months was such a joy. Maraming salamat sa mga. Thank you, of course, to Star Creatives and Netflix for allowing me to live life kay Irene Chu. And of course, thank you po sa lahat ng mga fans for all of the love and support that I got. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal. Once again, thank you.
Congratulations, Maurice. Now the VP Choice Awards for Love Team of the Year goes to the people's favorite celebrity pair, also known as a Love Team, who have been actively featured in television series, radio shows, and movie projects, and have become the talk of the town due to their natural chemistry, both on-screen and off-screen.
The nominees are Francine Diaz and Seth Fedelin, Francel, Barbie Forteza and David De Campo, Barda, Karen Oyuma and Jeremiah Lisboa, Kaunia, Katie Estrada and Alexa Ilacat, Katie Lex, Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano, Donda, Jillian Ward and Jeff Moses, Jillian.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Don Bell. Congratulations.
Hello po, VP Choice Awards. Thank you again for this Love Team of the Year award. Of course, I share this alongside Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumoto, to all our supporters, all the judges, just everyone who consists of the VP Choice Awards. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.
Hello guys, good evening. Love Team of the Year. Syempre, una gusto ko magpasalamat kay Don. Thank you so much. And it's always a pleasure working with you. And to everyone that supported Don Bell, sa lahat ng Bubblies, Don Bell, maraming salamat po. We dedicate this award to you guys and we love you.